The auto switch feature inside of Evmux is a great tool to utilize to be able to improve your workflow. It gives you that ability to go ahead and have a video playing inside of Pro Scenes and have it automatically switch to another scene once the video is done playing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to be able to go ahead and get this set up. So let's go ahead and jump into my Evmux account so I can walk you step by step. So once you're inside of your Evmux studio, you're going to want to be utilizing the Pro Scenes feature. The auto switch is only available inside of Pro Scenes. So once you go ahead and have a scene selected, you want to make sure that it's a video scene for the auto switch to be able to work. So I have here this countdown timer, and what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the element, and it's going to be a little toolbar that comes up top. You're going to want to come to the little magic wand, and typically by default it's going to be set to loop. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and uncheck this, and you're going to see here that the auto switch feature is going to ungray. So you want to go ahead and select inside that box, and it's going to list all of the Pro Scenes that I have available here. Now if you do want it to switch to a dynamic scene, you most definitely can, but I'm going to go ahead and just switch from the countdown timer to me and Alad on screen. So I'm going to go ahead and set that there. Now what's going to happen is that this is only going to showcase once you hit record or once you go live. So the auto switch is not going to happen when you're just here idle inside of the studio. When the video ends, it's just going to stay there. It's not going to move, but the auto switch is active. So let's go ahead and see this in action. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit record here. I'm going to hit record. And we're going to see here now how it's going to automatically transition from this countdown timer video. So I'm going to go ahead and play it here into my live preview. So this is what the audience is going to see. So it's going to go ahead and count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? It's going to go ahead and start wrapping up, and then it should automatically go ahead and switch, look, no hands, directly to Alad and me on screen for our viewers to be able to go ahead and engage. So you can see just like that now me and Alad are on stage, and it's just that seamless. So you can utilize this to be able to improve your workflow, to be able to allow you to be able to kind of switch from scene to scene, especially when using video, to another scene, making it seamless. We use this a lot for our intros, allowing that video to play in the intro and then to instantly transition to me and Alad in our town halls for us to be able to talk. So I hope that you enjoyed that feature and you start to actually utilize it. And if you want to learn more features you can utilize inside of Pro Scenes, go ahead and watch this video right here where I walk you step by step on going deeper into Pro Scenes.